Hi, I'm here at Rockslide Engineering in Logan, Utah. As you all know, when you go to the SEMA show, there are unique builds, things you don't see every day, showstoppers. Well, I would like to walk you through our showstopper here at Rockslide. In 1958, there were 120 of these built for the Forest Service, and naturally, it was painted forest green. This truck didn't have any tail lights or any other road features because it didn't need it. It was a forest truck. In 1971, this truck was on its way to Seattle, where it broke down in Salt Lake City. Because there weren't any parts available on a Sunday for this truck, it was sold that day to a new owner. Over the next 40 years, they spent quality time making memories in the truck, doing everything from taking it to the ski resorts and camping out so they could have first tracks in the morning, to hanging out with their friends in the mountains. There was always a good time to be had in this truck. The way I know that is there was about 40 pounds of beer caps that were collected under the passenger seat when we got her. Dave and Sue Luman were looking for a truck, originally for just parts, but after finding her in Salt Lake and hearing all of the history and memories that were made in the truck, the decision was made that she needed to be restored to her original design, and yes, give her a fresh coat of paint in the fire engine red. This truck has been restored completely, from motor all the way to the tailgate. This work was done by Mount Logan Off-Road in Logan, Utah. The only thing that she needed after the restoration was a name. Her name is Wilma Lu. That's what she's known by in the Rockslide family.